Teachers across Missouri will be eligible to get their coronavirus vaccine next month. Governor Parson announced today that the state will move to Phase 1B Tier 3 on March 15th.
ABC 17's Victoria Bragg spoke with teachers today. And Victoria, they tell you they're excited to finally have access to the vaccine.
Deb Lucas, educators say their concern was just to get access to the vaccine, especially now that most mid-Missouri schools are back to in-person classes. They say their main concern is to keep students and families safe.
I wish it was tomorrow. Actually, I wish it was 2 weeks ago, but the fact that we were moving towards actually getting people vaccinated is fantastic.
CPS teacher Kathy Steinhoff says teachers are excited to finally get access to the vaccine because many have been worried about safety with in-seat classes.
Teachers are still concerned about the safety of their students, but we do think that it will definitely reduce the risk of transmission if the adults in the buildings are vaccinated.
CPS says it's excited for vaccine access. 700 of the district's 3,000 employees have already received the vaccine because they fell under the previous phases of the state's plan. Mark Jones with Missouri National Education Association tells me the organization wrote a letter last week to the governor and Dr. Williams with the state's health department to try to get teachers vaccinated sooner.
I think educators have been very clear from the get-go. Our first concern is the safety of students and families. And the best thing we can do to make sure that happens is get every educator vaccinated and get children back in school.
A recent survey shows 85% of the association's educators plan to get the vaccine. The Missouri State Teacher Association says teachers are looking forward to being able to interact with students, knowing they have additional protection from the virus.
Education is a very collaborative profession. So, they're ready to get back together, ready to go back to work and do what's best for students.
JC Schools says that it plans to work closely with the Cole County Health Department and local health providers to get their staff vaccinated. According to their survey, 76% of their staff plans to receive a vaccine. Reporting live in Columbia, I'm Victoria Bragg, ABC 17 News.
Victoria, thank you. CPS says it's excited for teachers to have access to the vaccine as the district works to get back to in-person classes 5 days a week. The Board of Education's next meeting is set for March 8th.